Have you been meaning to start up your importation business, but you don't know how to go about it, or you don't have the right resources for this? Well, that is why this YouTube channel was created. Hi, my name is Bernice and I'm the founder of Beyond Wordz Imports. I built a thriving importation and procurement business right from my living room, and I'll be sharing with you just how to do the same. In this channel, you should be expecting videos about procurement, how to purchase and source for products on whichever platform you'll be using, how to identify legit suppliers so you don't get scammed on these platforms, how to pay the suppliers in their currency, how to also ship these items from your purchasing country to your country of residence, how to also build a pre-order business from the scratch with zero capital. Yes, you heard that right. You should also be expecting videos on a little bit about my lifestyle, some DIYs and some tutorials. If you're ready to begin this journey, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on the updates I'll be sharing on this space. Expect new videos twice every week. Let's grow together and let's make this happen. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Toodles!